Hello, and welcome to another presentation of 5-Minute Cybersecurity. Today, I will be explaining how to safeguard your small organization using the Nist cybersecurity framework. My name is Bill Osolinski. I'm a certified information systems security professional with 30 years experience managing IT systems. Nist stands for the National Institute of Standards and Technology. The cybersecurity framework was developed as a result of Executive Order 13636 in February of 2013 to provide guidance for reducing cyber risks to critical infrastructure. It is a comprehensive and proven formula for doing cybersecurity right. Since 2017, all U.S. federal agencies and federal government contractors have been required to follow the NIST standards. The full implementation of the NIST framework includes 108 controls. Small organizations do not have the resources for full implementation. I will be presenting the 20 most cost-effective controls suitable for small organizations. And as a bonus at the end, I will also give you the 12 most essential controls suitable for micro-organizations. The NIST cybersecurity framework consists of 5 functions. Identify helps increase an organization's understanding of their resources and risks. Protect supports the ability to limit or contain the impact of a potential cybersecurity threat. Detect enable timely discovery of cybersecurity events. Respond supports the ability to contain or reduce the impact of a cybersecurity event. And recover helps an organization resume normal operations after a cybersecurity event. Here are the 20 controls, beginning with identify and control access. Identify and control who has access to your organization's information. Determine who has or should have access to your organization's information and technology. Do not allow unknown or unauthorized persons to have physical access to any of your organization's computers. Physically lock up your laptops and other mobile devices when they are not in use. Conduct background checks. Do a criminal background check and credit check on all prospective employees. Require individual user accounts for each employee. Set up a separate account for each user, including any contractors who need access, and require that strong, unique passwords be used for each account. Create policies and procedures for cybersecurity. The scope and breadth of policies is largely determined by the type of business and degree of control and accountability desired by management. They should clearly describe your expectations for protecting your information and systems. All employees should sign a statement acknowledging that they have read and understood the policies, which should be kept in their HR file. Policies and procedures should be reviewed and updated at least annually. Limit employee access to information. Allow employees to access only those systems and only specific information that they need to do their jobs. When an employee leaves the business, ensure they no longer have access to the organization's information. Install surge protectors and uninterruptible power supplies. Surge protectors prevent spikes in power from damaging your electronic systems. Uninterruptible power supplies provide a limited amount of battery power to allow you to work through short power outages and provide enough time to save your data when the power goes off. Patch your operating systems and applications. Only install those applications that you need to run your organization and patch or update them regularly. It may be useful to assign a day each month to check for patches or updates. Install and activate software and hardware firewalls on all your organization's networks. Firewalls are used to block unwanted traffic, such as known malicious communications or browsing inappropriate websites. A firewall should be located between your internal network and the internet. Change the default password and enable logging to aid in the investigation of a cybersecurity event. Secure your Wi-Fi access points and networks. If you use Wi-Fi networks at the office, change the default password and enable Wi-Fi Protected Access version 2 with advanced encryption standard. Guest Wi-Fi should be separated from the office network. If you or your employees must connect to unknown networks or work from home, those connections should be secured by a virtual private network. Set up web and email filters. Filter internet access to block malicious websites and filter incoming mail to eliminate spam. Use encryption for sensitive organizational information. Encryption is a process of making your electronically stored information unreadable to anyone not having the correct password or key. Use full disk encryption on storage media. If you send sensitive information via email, those messages should be encrypted as well. Dispose of old computers and media safely. Electronically wipe or physically destroy any hard drives and other storage media before disposal. Train your employees. Train employees on your information security policies and what they are expected to do to protect your organization's information and technology. Have them sign a statement indicating that they understand the policies and penalties for noncompliance. Install and update anti-malware programs. Install, use, and regularly update anti-malware software on every device used in your organization, computers, smartphones, and tablets. Adding a second anti-malware program from a different vendor running in your firewall will improve protection. Maintain and monitor logs. Logs can be useful to identify suspicious activity and may be valuable in case of an investigation. Logs should be backed up and saved for at least a year. Develop a plan for disasters and information security incidents. The plan should include the following: what constitutes a cybersecurity incident, roles and responsibilities, what to do with your information and information systems, and who to call in case of an incident. There may be different plans for different incidents. Make full backups of important organizational data or information. Backups will let you restore your data in case a computer breaks, an employee makes a mistake, or a malicious program infects your system. Make full backups at least once a month and store a copy off-site. Backups should be tested at least once per year. If the backup media is not physically secured, it must be encrypted. Make incremental backups of important organizational data or information. This type of backup only records the changes made since the last full backup. Incremental backups should be performed daily. Consider cyber risk insurance. Cyber risk insurance may help you respond to and recover from a security incident. In some cases, cyber insurance companies may also provide cybersecurity expertise to help you identify where you are vulnerable, what kind of actions you need to take to protect your systems, and help you to investigate an incident and report it to the appropriate authorities. Lastly, make improvements to process, procedures, and technologies. Regularly assess your progress, procedures, and technology solutions according to your risks. Make corrections as needed. And now for the bonus, essential controls for micro-organizations. Require individual user accounts for each employee. Limit employee access to data and information. Install surge protectors and uninterruptible power supplies. Patch your operating system and applications. Install and activate software and hardware firewalls on all your organization's networks. Secure your Wi-Fi access points and networks. Set up web and email filters. Use encryption for sensitive organizational information. Dispose of old computers and media safely. Install and update anti-malware programs. Make full backups of important organizational data or information. and make incremental backups of important organizational data or information. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for your time.